fascist.
UNATCO. Majestic 12.
Good.
They can smell their death.
I believe I will enjoy this.
My mission might have failed, but so did yours.
Congratulations, Agent.
So you were hoping to find a containment unit in the Ocean Lab.
You should not have challenged me. What are you doing? A better punishment for a traitor than a shotgun to the head. Mr. Simon says if I defeat you, I can have any upgrades I want.
This isn't a training exercise. Your targets will be human beings. We can't win. There are too many of them. We'll talk about that later. You better get moving.
I do not retreat. That will be adequate. I will hunt you down wherever you run.
Mr. Denton.
Is it him? We know where you are going and what you intend.
What's the problem? Did something go wrong?
I want those components. You will bring them to the abandoned gas station.
I don't understand. Let him know I'm sorry about his components. Maybe I'll try to locate your friend. I don't have time for games. Maybe you should think about going back to school.
I captured your daughter an hour ago. She's been quite forthcoming.
Are you talking about the girl in the alley? You've got 10 seconds to beat it before I add you to the list of casualties. Now give me the girl. I want Sandra. Never mind. Alright, forget it. I'm sorry. I wish there was something more I could say.
Excuse that I have forgotten your infinite power of nano-augmentation. You cannot escape. I do not forgive.
You vanish.
You will not escape this facility. I promise you a painless death. You know you will be defeated. There is no escape. You will surrender.
You die.
Slow down. Who's Johnny?
Move out of the way. I am engaging.
Wait a minute. Bravery is not a function of firepower. Slow down. Slow down. Please retreat to a safe location. I'm here to stop them. Gunther.
Sufficiently impressive.
I need your help. I'll take a med kit for 600. Bob Page.
Look at you. You're nothing but a little man. A little man still living inside a body.
It can't be. Are you alright?
He knows I like orange. No, I wanted orange. It gave me lemon lime. I do not make mistakes of that kind.
I'm afraid that my friend died. He was a good man. What a rotten way to die. I'm going after their leader, Bob Page. Stick with the prod. Bob Page.
What the hell? It's Denton!
Bring me...
I don't understand. What are you doing? I wouldn't do that if I was you. Son of a...
You're too late. Already I'm more than human. Oh, yes, Mr. Denton. I wanted you here for a reason. Look at me. You vanish. You die.
Don't make me use force. I have some bad news. I'm sorry. I'd kill you.
Hostiles in the area.
Excellent. We're all here. What's happening? Helios! Icarus!
We got a man down here. Hey, we've got casualties.
He's gone.
You're a complete jackass. There's something called protocol. This is a profession, not a sport. You better get out of here. Don't be a fool. Run! What a shame.